Okay. So today I'm going to show Emily and Emily how to come up into a bird, and then we'll see what happens after that. So first things first is go ahead and walk yourself up so that you can put your feet on, I guess we'll call Monty and Lynchy, okay? Because their names are both Emily. So you want your feet to be like in a place so that when Emily, Lynchy, go ahead, I want you to think about plank. And Monty, I want you to just receive her weight. So don't even worry about the arms yet. Just lean forward into her feet. Yep. And then press her back up. Yeah, nice job. So I'm right here. You're not going anywhere. I said that to a dare and dropped her in a handstand. I was like, I've got you. And she was like, where? So, but I do have you. So go ahead and lean in. Emily, your toes are going to be like the control brakes. So you want to make sure that you can press them in. I would bring your heels out just a little bit and toes in. So go ahead and receive her weight. Let her lean in. Bring her in. Yep. And I'm right here. And then come back up. Yeah, nice job. A couple more times, just like that. And Emily, think about bringing happy baby knees. Monty, think about bringing happy baby knees. And Lynch, just let yourself go. That's it. Tighten.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? So go ahead and bring your arms up, both of you. So we want to think about stacking. When you guys get up into the pose, we want like and plank. We want shoulder, wrist, wrist, shoulder. Okay. So go ahead and bend, or don't hinge, but bring your, I shouldn't have picked two people with the same name. Monty, bend your knees, bring her in, hand to hand. So you want to have hands, you want flyers over. And you want to be like friendly, but not too gripped.
Okay.
Yep. So for a second, with your feet on the ground, Lynch, let's stack the shoulders here to feel that. So we want to find like this feeling. And then go ahead and bring her back up. Release the hands. Yep. And we're going to come in and lift up. Okay. So go ahead and give your weight to Monty. Arms straight. Find your grip. Connect hands, and Monty, press her up. Lift your chest. Straight arms, feet together, and back behind you. Lift the chest more toes, Monty. Press them up into her, and she will lift more. Yep, come on down.
I don't know if my legs are strong enough. Or
they look so. The thing is when you get to the stack, it will release the weight.
Okay.
So let's try.
So I was just going to say, it felt like this side was good. This side was like in maybe up a little bit too high, it might have felt like.
Okay,
so it felt like there was more pressure on this side than
And
there was
you
on this
can
side.
put her feet where you think they should be. And then how does that feel for both of you?
Good.
Cool.
Yeah.
So nice strong plank.
Okay.
Nice straight arms. Bend in, fall in, and up. Press her up. Yeah, you got it.
How did that feel?
That felt better.
Okay.
Yeah.
I brushed it too.
It's fun. I mean, it's going to be a lot of that. A lot of butts and faces and everything. Yeah, so, I mean, okay. Yeah, so go ahead and bring her in and up. Yeah, press up and then bring your heels back towards the back of the mat, Monty. And straighten the arms. Feel that stack. Lift your chest, Lynch. Straighten your arms. Oh, straighten your arms. I got you. I am right here.
I don't have my left foot is not. It's not good for some.
Nice job.
Yeah, that was. Is this one is the one? I felt it. I was like, whoop.
Yeah.
Okay. So
So go ahead, and I'm not going to talk you through this one. I'm going to let you both come up, but I'm still here as your spotter. No. And no reaching, yeah?
Ready?
Yeah, a little bit quicker with that lift is going to be good for you.